Yes. Now this is chapter 6 trigonometry exercise 6.1 chapter 6 of standard 10 standard Tamil Nadu State Board found in page number 258 sum number 10 cos theta by if cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by a then a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 is sin theta. So this is 1 by a is cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Now take the reciprocal a equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So this is a. So now we square this. A square equal to 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. Square. Here this is by reciprocal. This is square. So this is apply a plus b whole square formula 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a square. Now a square minus 1. A square minus 1 is 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Here this is cos square theta. 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. This cos square theta will come here. This is cos square theta by cos square theta. 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. Here is 1 sin square theta. So totally 2 sin square theta. This 1 minus cos square is sin square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. So this is now 1 minus cos square is sin square. Already here 1 sin square. 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by cos square theta. Yes. Now we take 2 sin theta common outside. Now we take 2 sin theta common outside. Sin theta common outside. So remaining we get sin theta plus 1 by cos square theta. So this is cos square is cos into cos. Cos square is cos into cos. One cos is 2 sin by cos is tan theta. 2 tan theta. Then another by cos is secant theta into sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus 1. This is one relation. So this is for numerator. 2 tan theta into secant theta to 1 plus or sin theta plus 1. So what is for a square minus 1? A square plus 1. A square plus 1. So a square we found out. 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. 1 plus this time. 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta plus 1. So we take it from here. So after the cross rule, 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta. So this is now 1 sin square plus cos square is 1. So this together we take it as 1. So this 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 sin theta by cos square theta. So this is, now we take it common, 2 common outside, 2 into 1 plus sin theta by cos square theta or 2 1 cos by cos square is secant square theta, 2 secant square theta into 1 plus sin theta. So this is, we take it as 2. So the left hand side is a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. A square minus 1 is here, 2 tan theta secant theta into 1 plus sin theta by denominator is 2 secant square theta 1 plus sin theta. 2 cancel, 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta cancel. This is secant square and secant. This also one time cancel now. This is tan theta into secant theta by secant square. So this secant and this one is cancel. So tan theta by secant theta. This is sin theta by cos theta by 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. So this is sin theta by cos theta into 1 by cos is cos theta by 1. Cos theta by 1. So cos theta cancel. So we have only sin theta. This is right hand side. Yes. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is 1 by a. So from this, using this, we do it, we find out this result. 1 by cos is cos by 1 plus sin. We take the reciprocal upside down. So a equal to 1 plus sin by cos. Now squaring this. After squaring, we open the bracket, we get this result, and we get minus 1. So this is minus 1. This is a square minus 1. Cos square minus 1. So cross multiplication will come. So now we compare these two. 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. Already here is 1 sin square. So 2 sin square. So we have 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. 2 sin theta common outside. 1 plus sin theta by 2 cos square theta. So this is sin by cos into cos. So sin by cos is tan and denominator cos is secant, then this is sin theta plus 1. So this is for numerator. Same way a square plus 1. A square plus 1. We add 1 here. We add 1, so this cos square will come here. Already 1 sin square, this cos square, so sin square plus cos square is 1. This 1 and this 1, so together 2. 2 plus 2 sin theta, 2 common outside, 1 plus sin theta by cos square theta. So this is by cos square means secant square theta. 2 secant square theta, 1 plus sin theta here. So this is for denominator. After this we simplify, we get the result. Sin theta. Yes, we get the result. Yes. Thank you for watching this sum.